traditionally a dessert. However, I have chosen to transform it into one with chicken. Chicken kunafa. Instead of the traditional kataifi pastry, I am using 200 grams of wheat sevai or vermicelli, 250 grams of boneless chicken strips, and 1 box or 280 grams of Philadelphia cream cheese. The rest of the ingredients I'll explain as we go. I mix the 200 grams of vermicelli with 100 grams of melted butter. Just mix and divide it into 2 portions. In an 8-inch by 1.5-inch greased pie dish, I layer 1/2 of the buttered vermicelli. Using the spoon, gently flatten it. I now bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Whilst it's baking, I season the 250 grams of chicken with 1 teaspoon salt, about 1/2 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Mix well. I heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a hot pan and gently fry the chicken for less than a minute. Remove and hold. In the same pan, I heat 1 teaspoon more of oil and sear 150 grams of sliced mushrooms over high heat. Season it with some more cracked pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, mix, remove and hold. In the same pan, I continue. I add a teaspoon more of oil and quickly brown 100 grams of sliced onion rings. Season with 1/4 teaspoon salt, a generous crack of black pepper, remove and hold. I take 20 grams each of sliced cashew nuts, almonds, and sunflower seeds. To this I add in a teaspoon of dried parsley, a teaspoon of dried red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil. I mix and hold it. Meanwhile, our first layer of vermicelli is brown and crisp. Smoothen the top of this with the Philadelphia cheese. Top the cheese with the seared chicken and sprinkle over with 1/2 of the nut and spice mixture. Top this with 60 grams of grated mozzarella. Flatten it gently. Add the mushrooms on it, and on the mushrooms, top it with this browned sliced onions. Top with another 60 grams of mozzarella and cover all the cheese with the uncooked remaining 1/2 of the buttered vermicelli. Top that with the remaining nut and spice mix and bake it at 180 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes or till browned and crisp. A quick egg salad to accompany this party pleaser. I take 2 eggs boiled for 8 minutes, to which I add 25 grams of chopped white onion, 25 grams of chopped coriander leaves, and 2 fresh red chilies also chopped, 1/2 teaspoon salt, a generous crack of black pepper, and 30 grams of mayonnaise. Stir that together. Cover and refrigerate. Our chicken kunafa is ready. Unmold it and serve it with the chilled egg salad, the hot kunafa and the chilled salad. The flavors work so well together. Come, let's eat.